about yoga and lifestyle. Lesson number third, yoga and lifestyle. Let's start from introduction. Introduction. Indeed, it is a very surprising fact that the yogic tradition, which is a more than 5,000-year old, has recently become a proper way of life. Presently, people consider that yoga is a significant means to achieve a healthy as well as a positive lifestyle. In fact, the power of yoga lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and diversity. As a matter of fact, yoga helps in improving our flexibility, lowers our stress level, and increase our confidence, and finally contributes to a healthier lifestyle on the whole. There are various lifestyle diseases like obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension, back pain, migraine, and depression, which can be prevented and treated up to sense extent with the help of center yogic exercise. Okay. Second, meaning of yoga. Meaning of yoga. Meaning of yoga. The origin of the word yoga is from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. According to Patanjali, the meaning of the word yuj is the stabilize the mind of for the union of Atma and Paramatma. In simple word, yoga is way to join good God merger of the soul with the God and experience of with him. Swami Digambar ji, yoga is a union of Atma and Paramatma. Mahasi Satyapal, yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yuj, which means the union of soul with God. In Gita, describe yoga as a evenness, evenness of temper. Maharishi Shankaracharya say yoga is a withdraw sense organs from the worldly object and their control. Practically speaking, yoga is a life science which deals with the health of body and harmony of mind. Purpose of yoga is to provide sound of mind, sense, tension free, and the sound mind. Okay. The ultimate aims of yoga is self identifications and self perfections, which come through self purification and self realization. So we can say yoga is a way of life, a means to enjoy complete happiness, healthy and peaceful. Union of Atma with Paramatma is possible by the purification of the body and mind. According to Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali, yoga consists of 8 stages to achieve as union of Atma and Paramatma. Okay. Next, the yoga definition. जैसे हम जानते हैं कि 1+1, एक को अगर हम जोड़ेंगे एक से तो 2 होगा. पक्षियों का पेड़ों पे बैठना वो योग है. विद्यार्थी का अध्यापक से मिलना वो योग है। आत्मा का परमात्मा से मिलना वो योग है। इसी प्रकार योग की पहली डेफिनेशन ये है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योग सूत्र ऑफ पातंजलि, योग चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा, योग की मनुष्य की चित्त की वृत्तियों का उपचार योग है। योगा इज रिस्ट्रेंट ऑफ द एक्टिविटी ऑफ द माइंड अकॉर्डिंग टू भागवत गीता, समत्तस्व योग उच्चय, इवननेस इज योगा, इवननेस एक रूपता, इवननेस ऑफ माइंड, योग कर्मेशु कौशलम, योगा इज स्किलफुलनेस इन एक्शन। योग डेफिनेशन के बाद नेक्स्ट, आसना एज प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स। Asana is the third stage of yoga in Ashtanga Yoga. After Yam and Niyam, Asana are slow stretching activity in which holding a body posture bring stability of body and poise to mind. According to Patanjali, asana means Sthir Sukh Asanama, that position which is comfortable and steady. In Brahmonisad, to sit in comfortable position of posture for everlasting period is called asana. Asana is that state of body in which the body may be positioned easily. As a matter of fact, the ability to sit comfortably for an extended period of time in any position is called asana. Next, okay, 3 type of asana. Number 1, cultural asana, meditative and relaxative asana, therapeutic asana. There are 3 type of asana. Cultural asana for body fitness, meditative and relaxative asanas for improving mental activity, therapeutical asana for curing various health and problems. These asanas are performed in standing, sitting, laying in proline and supine or inverted posture. The warming up in yoga is performed with Surya Namaskar. These are slow stretching activity in which heart rate, breathing rate and body temperature remain normal. Its effect of asana are internally felt and not observable. It improves physical and mental activity to a great extent. It increases the concentration and control our behavior. To show the effect of asana is a long process, whereas results are permanent. It also cure various. Okay. 3 type of asana. In disease and chronic health problems, thus is the therapeutical effect. It improves physical fitness along with good health to great extent. Asana should be performed in the durable of 30 seconds and 2 minutes. The breath should be controlled while performing it should not be performed immediately after meal. Asanas as preventing measures. Many asanas have great curative, preventive, and therapeutical effect. These can cure and prevent many chronic health problems or disease such as ortho related, number 2 diet related, ortho related. Asanas can prevent and cure many ortho related health problems like kyphosis, round shoulder, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knee, bow leg, flat foot, neck spondylitis, etc. In ortho related. Number two, diet related. Asana can prevent and cure many diet related health problems like diabetes, obesity, underweight, constipations, food intolerance, gastric problem, and constipations. Number 3, concentration related. Asana prevent and cure many health problems related with the concentrations, remove stress and tension, control anxiety, stabilize mind and improve memory. Number 4, immunity related. Asanas improve the immunity to a great extent, thus prevent cold, cough, viral infection, communicable disease, asthma, and many more. Number 5, cardio related. Asana prevent and cure many cardio related problems like heart attack, coronary arteries, coronary arteries disease, congestive heart failures, various blood pressure, high and low, abnormal heart rate, etc. These are cardio related disease. Number 6, neuromuscular related. Asana prevent and cure many neuromuscular health problems like paralysis, sciatica, Parkinson's, sclerosis, weak muscles, cramp, etc. Improve various sense organs, improve eyes, eyesight, smell, power touch, sense, etc. These are neuromuscular related. Number 7, remove body weight. Number 7, Asana removes the body weight efficiency, thus prevent and cure many health problems. It improves excretory systems of body, thus health is improved. Okay. Number 8. Number 8 is improve body systems. Asana improve the whole body system and they work very efficiency and in the good coordinations. Thus, the whole body work efficiency and effectively. Next, benefit of asana for prevention disease. Number 1, bone and joints becomes strong. The 9 point in the benefit of the asanas. Number 1, bone and joint become strong. In the point, as a result of performing asana regularly, the bones, cartilage and ligament become strong. Along with this, the height of children is enhanced. The joints are able to bear more pressures. Postural deformities can be also be prevented and corrected. Arthritis is also cure and performing asanas. due to spinal injuries problem like back pain, sciatica and cervical pain develop. By the performing asana, these problems are gently controlled. Number 2, muscular become strong. By performing asana, regularly muscles of the body become strong, the efficiency of muscles increase. Fat does not accumulate in the body. Okay. Number 4 is the respiratory organs become efficient. Number 4, respiratory organs become efficient. And number 3, circulation of blood become normal. 3 and 4 point, circulation of the blood becomes normal. As a result of practicing asana regularly, the stroke volume as well as cardiac output increase, become cardiac muscles start working more strong and efficient. Blood circulation is the improved and blood pressure normally and stabilize. The level of the blood cholesterol reduced by performing asana. The lactic acid and acid phosphate are excreted from muscles quickly and easily, which reduce fatigue. Number 4, respiratory organs become efficient. In this point, by doing asana regularly, the respiratory organs become efficient. The vital air capacity increase up to 6000 cc. The size of the lungs and chest also enhance. As a result of doing asana, the well power becomes strong and various diseases such as the cough, asthma and cancer of the trachea can be prevented. Number 5. Okay. Number 5 is efficiency of digestive system increases. Increase. Number 5. Number 5 is the efficiency of digestive system increase. By performing asana regularly, all the organs of the digestive system of our body begin to work effectively. The absorb of food become efficient. The strong of bile in the gallbladders and concentrate from enhanced. Appetite increases. Stomach and intestine are also strength. Constipations, indigestions and the gas trouble and reduce in the digestive systems. Number 6, nervous system strength. In a nervous system, as a result of regular practice of the asana, our nervous system strength, the working efficiency of cypress enhance, the neuromuscular coordination increase, activity of the our body will be done expending less energy, the secretions of the underlying remain good, the reactions time also reduce, mental power also improves, memory improve and feeling of disappointment reduce. Regular practice of the asana reduce anxiety and stress and tension. It also reduce sleep disorder. Okay. Number 7. Glandular activity is stimulated and regulated properly. By doing asana regularly, the glandular activity is stimulated and regulated properly. Glands start producing hormones in the sufficient quantity which are controlled and kept so that they may be utilized at the time of need. the demand of insulin reduce. Indeed, regular practice of asana improve diabetes management. Asanas help in the maintaining a balanced development of our body. Number 8. Efficiency of excretory system enhances. Excretory system. Regular practice of asana enhance the efficiency of the all of excretory organs. As a result, the waste product such as lactic acid, acid phosphate, urea, uric acid, sulfate, etc. are excreted quickly and properly within turn help in delaying fatigue. Okay. Number 9. Immune system is strength. Immune system is strength in the point by carrying out regular practice of asana, our immune system is a strength. We as a result become less prone to various communicable disease. In the conclusion, it can be said that regular practice of the asana is helpful in the preventing various disease, especially the ones that are related to our lifestyle. The complete my topic introductions, yoga definitions, meaning of yoga, 3 type of asana, benefit of asana for preventing disease. So thank you very much. Today my topic is complete. So new topic, lesson number 3rd and started yoga and lifestyle. Thank you very much. Best of luck.